I'm Jerry Parsons from Georgetown, Kentucky, and I came to Detail King to refine my detailing skills and to really hone in and learn how to market our trade to generate revenue and new clients. This is a must-to-have course for anybody who is wanting to be a small detailing business owner or even a big detailing business owner. Things covered here in this class is paramount and covers everything in depth, every single topic and category you can possibly think of. I wish I had had this course years ago. Even after I've been in detailing for 3 years now, I'm still learning all kinds of tricks of the trade. It's a very thorough and a wonderful course. Everybody here is so nice and professional, and it's awesome to be able to use the products and the tools here in the schoolhouse without having to buy them first. So you can see what tools and what products work best for you and then buy those here at the school. Awesome course.